on this episode of Camper Renovation. Hello, Corn. So good news, I sold the camper stove, the table, and the water tank for a decent amount of money, and I'm making my way through all of the construction debris. So the piles are getting smaller. This is the camper of innovation and resourcefulness, I would say. That little hole where the air conditioning is, that was the little trapdoor on the side of the camper that I had no idea what I was going to do with. And I had this AC from my wood shop. Didn't really work because it was a plastic shop and, poor air conditioner was losing. If you'd like to see where the camper came from, check out our previous videos on our channel and you can see how far this has come. Now the goal of this redo is to use what I have, what I can source, and spend as little as possible. This paint is from our living room. It's leftovers from an accent wall. This is where the kitchen was. Hello, little Mr. Toilet. I got the wood for free and had to do some water damage fixing and took out the window that was causing the water damage. I will be adding a toilet room in front of it, so I didn't really need a window. This is the flooring. It's affordable, it's replaceable, it's washable. So I was just testing it out. Those panels you see up against the wall, I sourced 3 for $10. They're a fake tin. They're going to be going up on the wall. It's so nice having the windows somewhat clean. Oh, look at the light. Look at the garden. With all that hard work comes an appetite. So it's time to take a break. I wonder what my fuzzy helpers are doing. Nothing. They're doing nothing. Like normal. I like free, I like Facebook Marketplace, and I like broken twin bunk beds. That are no longer broken twin bunk beds. I'm putting 2 twins in here to make this a guest house in the backyard for our families when they come visit. I'm also putting new plywood down on the floor underneath. Built a box to go over the wheel well, and then had an unfortunate accident with the caulking gun. It burst my tube. But I would highly recommend this anyways. Just be careful that the tube doesn't get pushed too much that it goes boom. Next, I painted everything with the black paint that I left over from when we painted the outside of the house. Super durable. This way I can put totes under the beds and slide them in and out without damaging the floors. Bed number 2. It's a skinny one. That way I can have more room between the beds. But I had these rails in my wood shop. They're used to hang shelves, but they're metal and I wasn't doing anything with them. And they made really good tracks. Put shorter brackets there. There used to be longer ones holding a bunk bed, but now there's just going to be a little shorter shelf there to put stuff to store or whatever anybody wants to put there. Wheel wells will get covers because they're not very pretty. But you know what is pretty? My messy workspace in the camper. Ta-da! Thanks so much for stopping by and supporting the journey of the camper. If you'd like to support us further, please hit subscribe to help the YouTube algorithms. Share it with your friends and check out these other videos. We really appreciate you. Psst, there's more videos coming of the camper. Stay tuned.